Welcome to this IELTS academic writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a band 6.5 sample essay, and summarize key phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. At the end, I'll point out how to improve this essay and achieve a higher score. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. 1. Question.
Some people say domestic animals like cats should not be reared in cities. Others say that such companion animals are beneficial to the community of a city. Which attitude do you believe to be correct?
2. Question type. Before diving into the structure, let's first analyze the question type. This is an opinion essay. In this type of essay, you need to clearly state your opinion. Then support your opinion with reasons and examples. 3. Essay structure. There are 3 parts to this essay: the introduction paragraph, the body paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph. First, let's start with the introduction paragraph. In this part, we begin by paraphrasing the question to show that we understand it. For example, we might say, some people think domestic animals, like cats, should not be kept in cities. Others believe they are good for urban communities. This shows we understand the main idea of the question. Next, we state the main idea of the essay. In this case, we would mention that I think keeping pets in cities is a good idea because they help people emotionally and reduce stress. Next, we move on to the body paragraphs. There are 3 body paragraphs, 2 reason paragraphs to support the main idea, and 1 counterargument paragraph to discuss about the concerns. Start with the first reason. Domestic animals provide companionship. Then, we support this with the point. Pets can make people living in cities feel less lonely. In the example, my friend feels happier and less stressed staying with her cats after work. Then, in the second body paragraph, we explain the other reasons. Domestic animals teach responsibility, especially to children. We support this with the point. Children can learn important life skills by feeding, cleaning, and playing with pets. Then follow by the example. My cousin's son became more responsible after their family adopted a cat. Next, we move to the counterargument section. Some people argue that domestic animals can cause problems, such as noise or allergies. However, there are 2 effective ways to address these issues. First, pet owners can train their animals to behave well. Second, they can keep their pets clean to minimize the risk of allergies. Finally, let's analyze the structure of the conclusion. It starts with a restatement of the opinion. I believe domestic animals are good for city communities. Next, it summarizes key points. They provide emotional support and teach responsibility. Then, it acknowledges challenges and refutes them. Although there are challenges, they can be managed with proper care. 4. Sample essay.
Some people think domestic animals like cats should not be kept in cities. Others believe they are good for urban communities. I think keeping pets in cities is a good idea because they help people emotionally and reduce stress. One reason domestic animals are good in cities is that they provide companionship. Many city residents live alone and feel lonely. Pets, like cats, can make them feel less lonely. For example, my friend lives in a small apartment in the city. She has a cat, and she says it makes her feel happier and less stressed after work. This shows how pets can improve mental health in cities. Another benefit of domestic animals is that they teach responsibility, especially to children. Taking care of a pet requires time and effort. Children can learn important life skills by feeding, cleaning, and playing with pets. For instance, my cousin's son became more responsible after their family adopted a cat. He helps take care of it every day. This is a positive effect pets can have on families in cities. However, some people say domestic animals can cause problems like noise or allergies. This is true, but these issues can be managed. Pet owners can train their animals to behave well and keep them clean to avoid allergies. In conclusion, I believe domestic animals are good for city communities. They provide emotional support and teach responsibility. Although there are challenges, they can be managed with proper care. Therefore, keeping pets in cities is a good idea.
That's the end of the sample essay. 5. Improvements. While the essay is well structured and covers all required aspects, there are several areas for improvement to achieve a higher score. Below are suggestions along with examples. 1. Lack of sentence variety. Issue: many sentences are short and simple, which makes the essay sound repetitive and less engaging. Example: current.
Pets, like cats, can make them feel less lonely.
Improved.
Pets, such as cats, can significantly reduce feelings of loneliness by offering constant companionship and emotional support.
2. Basic vocabulary. Issue: the essay uses basic words like good, feel, and help, which limits the lexical range and impacts the score. Example: current.
Pets are good for city communities.
Improved.
Pets are highly beneficial for urban communities as they contribute to emotional well-being and social cohesion.
3. Underdeveloped examples. Issue: the examples provided are relevant but too brief and lack detail, making them less convincing. Example: current.
My friend has a cat, and she says it makes her feel happier.
Improved.
My friend, who lives alone in a busy city, adopted a cat last year. She mentioned that her pet not only keeps her company, but also helps her unwind after stressful workdays, significantly improving her mood and overall mental health.
4. Weak linking words. Issue: the essay uses basic linking words like and but, which do not show a strong connection between ideas. Example: current.
However, some people say domestic animals can cause problems.
Improved.
On the other hand, some argue that domestic animals may lead to certain challenges, such as noise pollution or allergic reactions.
5. Lack of depth in counterargument. Issue: the counterargument is mentioned but not fully developed or refuted, which weakens the essay's balance. Example: current.
While this is true in some cases, these issues can be managed with proper care and rules.
Improved.
While pets can cause issues like noise or allergies, these problems can be managed. Pet owners can train their animals to reduce noise and keep them clean to avoid allergies. Governments can also create rules to promote responsible pet ownership.
That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.